Meet Magical, your time operating system. Selected by Product Hunt as one of the top 10 productivity tools of 2023, Magical lets you manage the entire meeting process directly in your browser tabs. You can instantly join Zoom or Google Meet sessions, as well as capture and sync meeting notes directly into Notion. Magical lets you share your preferred meeting times so you only schedule meetings when you're truly available. You can also create your own customized scheduling templates based on your own personal meeting preferences. Our powerful AI Meeting Builder is a suite of 3 advanced AI features that help you find the ideal meeting times, generate agendas, and receive transcribed meeting summaries. Lastly, take your calendar everywhere with Daypeak and timeT. Check your upcoming meetings, join calls, and take notes all while you browse. Magical is rated 5 stars in the Chrome Web Store and has been featured in TechCrunch and Forbes. The future of time is here. Schedule smarter, meet better, work faster. Unlock your time and achieve more. Try Magical today.